let's not. Sir, how would you explain the power situation in the country?
See, power situation is in the country now, it is improving. It is not that what the country was in 2004 or 5. The 2005, the UPA government came into power under the leadership of Dr. Manmohan Singh ji, and with the full support of Congress Party's leader, Madam Sonia Gandhi's blessings, this government was formed. And I joined this power ministry in 2006, and it was decided in 2005 that the UPA government will give cheap power, a clean power and sustainable power to this country. We had one BHL factory here. We used to produce 5,000 megawatt from that factory, and the country had decided to produce in 10,000 plan is about 42,000 megawatt, but we could do only 21,000 megawatt. I joined, it's exactly at the verge of conclusion of 10th plan. So we introspected in the department, we found out where we were wrong. We found out that the proper monitoring was not there. Orders were not placed in time. The equipments were not there. Balance of plant was needed. So we corrected it. Today in this country, we had only, BHEL was the only one manufacturing unit to supply power equipment to the power companies. But today we have 5 companies like that. We have had a joint sector companies in that, because we had decided to have manufacturing units in the country, and that is indigenous to be projected, and a preference should be given. And thereby Larsen Toubro with MHI, the Bharat Forge with Ansaldo, JSW with Toshiba, and GB with Ansaldo, and plus NTPC with BHL. These joint sectors were formed, and today we are capable to supply to our targeted capacity. We have targeted our capacity 78,000 in this 11th plan, but we will be able to do 62,000 because there was shortage. There was shortage of rains. There was shortage of supplies. There was shortage of. There were some difficulties of 2 plants, BAD and other plant. Some technical difficulties that were solved also between the 2 countries. There was a dispute that was also solved. And with all these difficulties, we will be able to give this country 62,000 megawatt. And for your surprise, this is the first time in the country after the independence we have achieved a 9,585 megawatt in one single year. That is the speed that we are going in generation. We have also monitoring units. We have also, you see, specific a reference to when we are doing such a capacity, we must have transmission lines to be laid. And on that count also, we have very well sufficient. On transmission side, we are today 19,000 megawatt capacity. And by the end of 11th plan, we will be doing 27th to 29th thousand capacity of transmission. We can transmit electricity from north to west, south to north. This is the situation in this country. It is fully improved now.
So are you looking for FDIs in the energy sector?
Yes, that is just recently I had witnessed one company, a Singapore company, and India's Mr. Subirami Reddy's son is doing, or member of parliament, that they have 1,100 or 1,500 FDI has been given by Singapore government corporation. It is just started. So far, during last 5 years, it was not that. Just yesterday, the Doosan company chairman had come to South Korea, and he is very much interested to have a factory here to supply boilers and turbine, and plus balance of plant with 100% FDI. It is just started, and it will be taking a lead now.
How hopeful you are that other countries will also invest in India?
See, the other countries, they are knowing the way in which this power sector is growing. If you see the situation just 4 years, 5 years back, we were nowhere. But today, every where in the world we are counted. And there has been inquiries after inquiries that they have seen the capacity addition that we are doing it, on transmission side, what we are doing it. On distribution side, the wastage of electricity has been totally saved through Bureau of Energy also, and through this, there used to be a theft. We brought the new law for that. We brought so many corrective side, and whole world is now looking towards the India's power sector. I get, you see, almost every alternate day foreign ministers to come here and discuss with me.
So given the fact that our population is increasing and requirement of power is also increasing. So,
yes, that is a fact, you see, as you consider, you see, when we achieved our independence in 1947, our megawatt, the capacity was only 1,360 megawatt only. But today it has gone more than 1,50,000 megawatt. And I am quite confident the speed that we are maintaining, that within this 5 years we are doing it 62,000. I have not calculated in 62,000 IPP and plus the best effort that we will be doing. As we projected in 78,000 in our original planning, I am quite hopeful with the IPP and the best efforts will be able to get 78,000 megawatt. As you rightly put it, that the growing population, how you will face it. That today our per capita kilowatt hours of the country is almost 700 to 800. We have assured this country that by the end of 2012, we will be able to give 1,000 per kilowatt hours to per capita consumption. As compared to China, as compared to US, as compared to the European countries, we are still nowhere. But the Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Udyotikaran scheme was brought in by this UPA government, and that has given a very much boost to the villages. 1,15,000 villages have to be electrified, and as on today, we have electrified about 85,000 villages. And the very small position has been kept, easy to do by 12,000. By the end of this 5-year plan, we will be able to do that. And see, the speed that the whole country will get electricity at one hand, and the second hand, the capacity addition is growing. The demand has been growing, particularly in the urban areas and also in the rural areas. The agricultural pumps has been very much in demand, and that's why the agricultural pumps, they were very much electricity consumption. So we have now made shift over this to have efficient pumps so that it will be benefited to agriculturists also, and the power will be saved through that. But we have decided to give more and more power. This country will be a surplus power after 2 years, 2 or 2.5 years.
Thank you, sir.